If you're looking for the newest quality barber tools without spending a fortune, this video is for you.
Hey!
That hook was good, huh? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing Gamma's newest products. We've got the Alpha Up, the Hitter Up, the new Echo Blade, and the Boosted One single foil shaver. I've been using all the products for the last little while inside the shop, so I'm gonna give you my honest feedback and thoughts on all the different products. So first things first, I'm going to start with the Alpha Up Clipper. We've obviously already seen the Alpha Clipper before, but now this is the upgraded version with a few accessories that might make you want to try this clipper out for yourself. It comes with all the usual accessories you see with the Gamma products. It comes with those two skins, all your guards, and your charging cable. It's obviously not going to be Gamma's top of the range and most premium product, but it's obviously going to be a lot more accessible and affordable to all those other new and beginning barbers. On paper, the specs for these clippers are actually really solid. The 6,500 RPM motor has plenty of power for everyday barbering, and the blue titanium vapor blade really gives you a smooth cut while keeping heat and friction at a minimal. The battery life is also more than enough to get you through a whole day without charging in between clients. After using it in the shop, I think the clippers aim for more beginner to intermediate barbers rather than someone who's been cutting full time for years. It performs well, it's comfortable in the hand, and is reliable, but it doesn't quite have the premium feel or raw cutting power of the Gamma's higher end products like the XL or the Shorty that I'm used to. One thing I actually really liked about it was using it throughout the week for more of my detail work because it's got less power than the Shorty or boosted clipper that I'm used to. I found it really nice for fading and doing those final once-overs. I actually found myself reaching for it quite a bit when I wasn't filming to review because it's just easy to fade with. I also think this is what makes it such a good clipper for beginners. The slightly lower power actually makes it more forgiving, so it's easier to control while you're learning to fade. To show you the difference, I switched over my XL fitted with my new Echo Blade and buzzed the top so you can see the power difference between the Alpha Up and the XL, which is definitely the most powerful clipper in the new Gamma range. Overall, I think the Gamma Alpha Up is a great beginner clipper for easy control, reliable, and offers excellent value for anyone starting their barbering journey. Next, we've got the Alpha Hitter Up trimmer. Straight out the box, it comes with 3 interchangeable skins like we're used to seeing with all the Gamma products. The first thing I noticed is how quiet it is. Before I even used it, I had a feeling it was going to be a really soft trimmer, perfect for lineups, for kids' haircuts, or anyone with sensitive skin where you don't want anything too aggressive. The Gamma Hitter Up trimmer features a high-powered 7,000 RPM DC rotary motor paired with the blue titanium blade for consistent cutting performances. It also has a lithium-ion battery that delivers 2 hours of runtime with both USB-C and a charging stand. One of the standout features is the magnetic drop-top design, making it super easy and to clean and maintain quickly in between haircuts. I started by debulking and removed the hair with no problem at all. I also put it side by side with the Boosted so you can see the cutting performance for yourself, and it definitely holds up. The Boosted is still my favourite trimmer Gamma's ever released, but these are seriously impressive as well. They're super lightweight, the USB charger is ideal for working on the go or travelling. When it comes to lineups, I found they remove the hair really easy without feeling overly aggressive. The magnetic skeleton cap is just an absolute game changer. It pops straight off and it made it really easy to clean between cuts. Overall, I think Gamma's done a great job with these. They're not for just a beginner. I genuinely think I'll be using them all day and around the shop flat out. So I really recommend these to all levels of barbering. Now we've got the Gamma Booster One foil. In the box you'll get a USB charging cable and a screwdriver for easy maintenance. The first thing I noticed is how quiet it is. You can barely hear it running at all. The Booster One foil also features a 9,000 RPM motor with an ultra thin gold titanium foil, giving you a close smooth shave with minimal irritation at all. It also delivers over 2 hours of runtime on a single charge. This is Gamma's first ever foil shaver, and I think it's a great addition. It's perfect for necklines around the ears and all those little finishing details you wouldn't want to use with a razor. I wouldn't also use it as a main foil shaver. That's still where the Gamma XL double foil shines, but as a second foil, it's fantastic and saves a lot of time for your razor work. Overall, I think it's a great accessory to add to your setup, but obviously it couldn't replace a double foil. It's an absolutely awesome tool. I think every barber should have one in their arsenal, and at this price point, it's a must. I think all the new products offer great entry-level value and reliability for all new barbers and people that are coming into the barbering industry. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful at all, please let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you guys have any questions about any of the products I just reviewed, please let me know. A massive thank you to Gamma for sending me out these products as usual, and all the product links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already clicked subscribe, please do, and thank you.